Hello, everyone. It is June 19th. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. So, I want to say hello and thank you to everyone who is actually watching this stream, whether live or on the VOD. I'm actually going to make sure that I have all of this pulled up so I can see both, because we're doing an experiment to see how this goes. We're going to be doing a simulcast, so this is being streamed on Twitch and YouTube. This might be a one-time only thing. I very quickly needed to set stuff up this morning. I was gonna do it all last night, but do I have? Okay, I'm gonna turn you down just a little bit. There. That's better. Now I'm not peeking the mic almost. But I'm gonna turn that down on my headset. Yeah. So I was going through this, like I might just do a multi-stream today, see how well that goes. But first and foremost, I have a couple updates for you guys. So, at some point yesterday, I actually took the Lenovo with the messed up charging jack to a repair shop. They're looking at it to see if it can be repaired. So, yeah. I might have to field a call at some point in the next few days. I just don't know when. So, my phone will be on vibrate so I can hear it. But yeah. So, we have a secondary workstation out in the dining room that is an old HP laptop of mine and the external keyboard, so the streaming programming or the programming streams will be a lot more fun. Oh god, it just sounds like really loud. Give me a minute here. Like, okay, yeah, no, it'll be a lot more fun because I basically have to program with the laptop keyboard, which is not something I've been doing recently until we got that um, secondary system set up. Because with the HP, the laptop screen is kind of not happy. Um, the hinge is busted, essentially. Screen still boots, it still works. But yeah. So let's keep an eye on the chat. Oh, hello, dear. How are you doing? Hi. Okay. I'm just explaining everything that's going on. Um, that immediately, wait, was that why? Why is there a yellow box around a? I don't know why that is, because it's not a cursor by any means. But, I hope everyone's having a good day so far, and I'm just going through this stuff really quick. The weather the last few days has been really not great, so this is probably the best I've felt all week. Um, so we are live in a couple different places. So, yes, we're still on a starting soon screen because I'm talking. But with that being said, let's hope I remember how to do this. Let's go into studio mode because I like using studio mode. We'll drag this to the bottom. We'll add in the rest of our scenes later this week. Like later today. Where's properties? I need properties. I need to actually be in the sources list for the properties. And there we go. Just because I could also use the window capture for CodeOSS as a gaming capture too. So let's get into this. Let's see what all has changed. I'm actually going to move everything. Actually, no, I will be looking directly at this screen. So this would be working just fine. I need to actually be able to see chat here. Oh, but yeah. Other than that, yay! Like we're getting somewhere. I did have to fix some issues with the where are we? Forking path choice. I think I'm too far up here. We need to find battle system because that's what I've been working on. Ignore this because I have actually been trying to work on some of this stuff. I must have scrolled past it. I'm going to increment the window size, please. Whoa! I wanted to zoom in, please. Could I not zoom in? Is it Alt? No, it's not Alt plus. Man, this is gonna drive me nuts. Yeah, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me here for a minute while I try and read out where we're at. Dark Mage, I think we have to go down. Yeah, here it is. So there was a bug in the battle system that because there was no functionality here for these, if you input any other option or really anything, it would just loop here forever, and it did basically a forever for loop because it would take input, the input would do nothing, and it would reset the input as prompted by the reset and clear function. So that has, yes, a forever loop, yes. A forever loop. An infinite loop. So yeah, I ended up changing this so that with this being done, I generally wanted it to not loop until we had it fixed. So right now, until all of this is actually implemented, it will work. And it will have you go back to the start of the battle system loop. So, with that being said, because I did test this on the machine in the dining room. So, yeah. I'm actually curious here. Did I start doing work on the story again? Yeah, I have to like scroll down a lot because there's like a lot going on here. Jeez. Everyone is going live on Twitch at this time. You know, but whatever. Where are we? Oh, yeah. So I was actually working on stuff. I was working on story. Because we're getting to the point that the character meets the aged Dark Swordsman. for the first time. And yeah, that's a good sign. We're getting close to the actual end of the story at this point. So that's where we're at. Um, Other than that, I do need some caffeine, so I'm going to take a drink of my Coca-Cola really quick. Alright, how's the mic volume compared to the music, by the way? This was a very haphazardly thrown together OBS setup at the moment, so I hope it's okay. I can barely hear music. Are you... Good lord, I cannot find a happy medium with this. This... There. Is that better? That should be better now. I hope it doesn't go through my, my headset. So we're actually going... I didn't even realize there was music. Well, I'm sorry. I'm not all that great at mixing audio because I had to do a lot of this on the fly. This morning, because I may or may not have went back to bed and woke up at like, excuse me, 10 minutes to noon, going, oh, I'm scheduled to stream today at like 1 o'clock. So what were we working on here? We were working on... We have to do the Dark Mages stuff. But we also have to check and see if... It's basically the same thing we did up here somewhere, which we'll just do this for now, because it is going to be the exact same code. It doesn't matter. And honestly, the else... Oh, this will be a pain, because now I gotta rewrite everything. So... Alright, let's lean forward. This is slightly not comfortable, by the way. So for people going like, oh, you know, why are you copy-pasting it? I'm like, because it's the same line of code. And granted, I could make it a function and call the function. Well, it's slightly uncomfortable because I am, like, literally leaning over my desk to get to the laptop, so... And I was like, yeah, I could go grab the external keyboard, but I do plan on using that machine later to try and do some work, so... it's not worth having to constantly drag that stuff in and out of here. I mean, because I do plan on streaming again tomorrow. I did actually make a point to say, like, I will probably get another external keyboard if I can, because it's just more comfortable. So now, like, yeah, it's gonna be interesting until then. Oh, backspace. Okay, so then we do else. And we need one of these, and we need to move one of these all the way down here. Outside of the while loop. because you. There we go. Yeehaw. Okay. I don't know if I had made any changes to the programming PC, because I know last night we got rain, and I kind of very, very quickly shut everything down. So any changes that were on that system are now going to be overwritten. But I can easily do a get fetch, or, you know, do a push and then a pull. So Lightning, I mean, we could do like the basic dialogue, and then I'd have to come up with the formula, which I think will basically include like a base damage of 75 or whatever, or a base damage of whatever. Okay, the music is still going. I just hey, stop it. I know you're feeling like poo. I know you're not feeling great today, sweetheart. But that is not a funny joke. But yeah, I could honestly just make that a function, but at that point, would it be worth it to check? Hey, yeah, I know, like, for people who want to know, Raven is here, and she feels like I did yesterday and the day before. I'm not even lying. You can't say I'm wrong here. The last, like, 2 days, I think yesterday, there was a point I was literally I was sitting at the table, and I had my head down. I know, like I said, I know you're not feeling well. So yeah, what I want to do after every at the end of every switch statement is put, like, you have this many attack points or this many mana points remaining. Oh, that's a thing that I should probably talk about. I forgot about the direct again. Damn it! I was gonna talk about that a little bit. You know, I suppose we could talk about it while I'm programming. Let's hope I don't get too distracted. Hey, no. Okay. Yeah, I kind of forgot about it because the direct happened literally yesterday. Yesterday morning it happened, and my brain went, you forgot it, didn't you? I need to come up with a way for to heal mana points. I thought, no, what? Huh? I already forgot. I thought the direct literally happened yesterday. I'm confused. Honey, you're confusing me. I forgot what I said. I'm confused. I thought that, hold on. I said something about not getting sidetracked when I program it. This is what happens. What were we talking about again? Honestly, I don't even know what I said to get you confused. Well, goddamn. I I suppose I could go look at the YouTube bot if I want to. Hold on a minute. I'm going to do the smart thing and mute my speakers, not my headset. Yeah, because I want to talk about the direct, because, like, I did live reactions to it. Oh, and the stream went down yesterday during the reactions part of it. And, wait a minute. Is my OBS broken? I don't remember. I don't know. No. Okay. I don't remember. I'm betting you there's a delay. Oh no! No, I was yelling at code. I was yelling at this thingy right here. I was yelling at it, not at you. Yeah. I know the stuff is like really weird. I wanted to see what the hell like we're all confused about. Yeah, no, I was yelling at code just based on because it was doing stuff that I didn't want it to do. So like, oh, that's because I right clicked and you guys can't see when I right click. And I right clicked on a line that I meant to just click into. Yeah. So if you hear me go no and you didn't say anything, it was probably not directed at you. It was probably directed at my own misclicks. But yeah, I wanted to hear that back because I had no stinking clue why we were confused. So, yeah. Oh, what was I working on? Okay, so I don't know if that was a thing the last time we were live where I was working on this. I'm highlighting it because I don't remember how to, like, can I zoom in? I want to zoom in, damn it. I want to zoom in so that the screen is bigger. Not just for me, but for, like, everyone. So, yeah, I don't know if that was a thing the last time I was live, but I have worked on the magic stuff. I ended up pushing some stuff to main as well. So one thing that I haven't done yet is just do a basic. I want a terminal. Okay. Is it Control Shift Plus then? I'll try that this time. No. Can't zoom in. Man, this is terrible. So we get to do .NET build. .NET build that one. Gotta specify the solution. Give it a minute. gonna take a minute here. Yeehaw! Is it working? Okay, it is built. That's cool. I just want to friggin' zoom in my screen, please. That'd be cool. That'd be great. So let me try function then. Oh, not function delete. Oh, where's this? What? What the heck, man? I just figured it out. I was clicking the wrong button combination. Okay. Does the screen look better? God, I hope so. I forgot the last time I played Skyrim. I'm gonna refresh the restream stuff. Okay. And then okay. I see the highlight. Yeah. Does the screen look a little more zoomed in? I don't actually know. Like, for me it looks zoomed in, which is a lot easier for me to read. So, but yeah, I don't think this was there last time. But I know this wasn't, because I had actually worked on this sometime in the early part of the week here at some point, whether that was Sunday or Monday really. And then of course the default has the reset and clear, the double attack, it has, wait, there should be more to that. Oh yeah, no, there is more to that than that. So enemy, then do I have to set damage dealt? It's scrolling, so it's working. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to read, but I'm also trying to make it so people can actually read what is on the screen and it's not like super small. So I know it's working. I just needed to see if it was like bigger or not. I guess I could have looked on OBS because I, I could have thought of that one. Yeah, it looks to be a little bigger if I actually like closed the file tree. Maybe that would work, and then maybe opening the terminal when I need it would look a little cleaner. But as you can see, I've kind of fleshed out like each class is going to have at least 3 attacks, and I can add on to it. But the reason I went with 3 is the random input that I used. So then it would be like, okay, the bad, placeholder, so everybody gets 3 attacks, or 3 magic attacks, and because I'm like, okay, we're gonna figure this out. We're back at the top, right? Main menu option, blah 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 blah. Object creation. That scared me for a minute, but it's just my calendar going, hey, work on Project Nightmare. Um, so I guess we did do some work. It's just I thought I did more, and I probably did more. It's just I didn't save those changes because I was not very quick about it this morning. Yeah. So people are like, oh, why do you do like double attack equals 0? Because it's gonna end. And I should honestly say this should be less than or equal to 2. Because, well, let's test it at some point. I'm gonna put a comment above that loop. We are connected, are we not? Am I still here? Stream back. Okay, that's what I thought. Stream down, stream back. I'm hoping the YouTube one didn't just start a new event. Okay, it is. Okay, it is working. Okay, we're good. We're good. Okay, I got a notification from Street or from OBS that was like, oh hey, we're going down. Uh, so the plan is, and I'm actually going to just double check my schedule here on Twitch because I will be following the Twitch schedule if we do this. So I get to find my, I think it's gonna be creator dashboard because I did update the schedule from, we're gonna be live from 1 p.m. To 4:45 p.m., which I think the stream schedule is updated to. Whoa, that one's off, man. Stream for 3 hours and 45 minutes. That's better. Now the streaming schedule should be completely up to date. So we have today, tomorrow, Friday dev stream, and then Saturday gaming stream. So yay. I have to check that, and yeah, so if you guys want to keep an eye on what's going on, that's the schedule, and I will probably be setting up those events um, on YouTube as well in advance. Because I do want to actually try and get more of this stuff out. It's just, by the time I think about exporting the videos, it's like, oh, I can't find the VOD, because I think the VODs are only good for like 6 days, maybe a week. So, set damage dealt variable. Did I do that before and not do that when I was running through this? Yeah, because that's what it is. So basically, I have to figure out what the hell my thought process was here. Okay. Okay, we were gonna work on the lightning, that's right. Not the night. We wanted to go up to lightning. Do a... No! No! Not, like... My laptop almost fell off the stand, so that's why I was going new. Alright, let's get this done now. System. Or no, we don't need system, we need just console. Dot right line. You used. Good lord. It just about went down again. So this is my end. Okay. Today it's my end. Okay. but it says... So, I'm assuming it's not really Twitch's end either. It's probably Restream going like... Wait a minute. Yeah, because it's a really weird resolution. It's 852 by 480, which is 480p. So, sorry. I'm getting used to the new setup here. And the reason I immediately went back to the start of the quotes is, quite frankly, we're going to be doing interpolation, but the problem is, I don't have a damage formula yet for it. So, we're going to be figuring that out live on the air. Because we're actually going to try and... Oh, I know what changes are not there yet. Okay. Let's go to GitHub and see if I am in fact correct. Boy. Where's the mouse? Okay. GitHub. Yay, GitHub. I think I realized. Change the order of the attacks. Oh, wrong branch, that's why. Magic test. Fixed bug in magic system. Oh. Okay, so I was probably in the middle of implementing stuff for this as well. So what I ended up doing was this. Going into classes, going into enemies, going into... Jesus! Yeah, no, like, this is only probably going to be a one-time thing, because this is actually starting to make me very mad. Because we've disconnected, like, 3 times. No sound, sound back. Yeah, we're having technical issues. I don't know why. But I'm pretty sure I have an idea. So I figured out what changes were not pushed to GitHub this morning. Like they should have been. And this is my fault. So, because I had changed some stuff that we're now adding in to the GitHub repo. So the first thing we're going to do right now, we're going to hit File. We're going to hit Save All. We are going to commit the changes. As a BRB. I have a feeling I know what this is.